Hello class 6. Today I am going to start a new chapter from your English Bliss. This chapter you will get for your second term examination. First chapter we have completed through our previous videos, and in this video I will start the second chapter from the Bliss. The name of the chapter is Thankless Goldsmith. You will get this chapter in the page number 34. So please take out the book and turn to page number 34. The first I would like to focus upon the title of the story, which is Thankless Goldsmith. Now, thankless means, what does it mean? It means unappreciated. Thankless means, you can say that involving hard work that other people do not notice, or you can say thank you for. And here that thankless, this word refers to a man, and who was Goldsmith. So Goldsmith, what does it mean? Goldsmith means a person who makes different kinds of golden ornaments. So here Goldsmith means that person who was thankless. Now I am starting the story. There lived a hermit in the forest. One day, as he was walking back to his hermitage through the forest, he felt thirsty. So the story starts with a hermit. Hermit means saint. So he lived in the forest, and while back to his that means his hermitage. Hermitage means, you can say, the hermit where he lived. You can say it could be a hut. So when he was living when he was coming back to his walking back to his hermitage, so he was in the forest, and what happened? He felt very thirsty. He wanted to drink water. He had no water left in his kamandal. He came to a well, but it was completely dry. What happened? That person, that means the saint, he was very thirsty, and he did not have a single drop of water in his kamandal. So what does it mean? Kamandal means actually a pot that means you can fill the pot with water. Okay, so if you notice a saint or a hermit, you will notice also that you will understand that they are actually taking one kamandal. Okay, generally they are taking the kamandal. Kamandal means is actually a pot where you can put the holy water. The hermit, they are putting the holy water into that. So that kamandal was also dry completely. There was not a single drop of water. So what happened? He came to a well, but it was completely dry. So the man, that means the saint, came to a well for searching water. But unfortunately, there also he did not get a single drop of water. It was completely dry. At the bottom was a man, a tiger, a monkey, and a snake. So at the bottom, the man, that means the saint, got to notice that there were some creatures in the well. Who were they? A man, a tiger, a monkey, and a snake. They had fallen into the well and were unable to come out of it. So all of them were into that that means you can say that that well, and they, unfortunately, they could not able to come out of the well. So 4 of them were staying in the well. As soon as they saw him, they started shouting, "Help us, please!" So what happened? When all of the creature, that means tiger, then monkey, then the man, and the snake, when they noticed that there was a man out of the well, so all of them were shouting for help. Okay, and they were shouting like that, "Please help us, please help us." Sher Singh the tiger pleaded the hermit, "O noble and dear friend, save my life." So here, that means the first one, that was Sher Singh. Sher Singh means, you can say that the tiger. The tiger, he pleaded the hermit, he requested the saint and said that, "Please, you are a noble man, please help us out. What happened? Save my life." Manu the hermit replied, "I am scared of you. The very thought of you somewhere close to me sends shivers down my spine. Why should I help you?" What happened? So Manu the hermit, now we can know that the hermit's name was Manu. So he said that, "I am really very afraid of you. You are a tiger. So if I am thinking of helping you, I am very much scared." Okay, why? Because he was thinking that what would happen, that when he would take him out of the well, and if that tiger would pounce upon him, so what would happen? Okay, so why should I help you? That Manu said that why I will help you, because you are a creature who always have the tendency to kill someone. Okay, what if you eat me after I rescue you out of the well? But Sher Singh promised that he would not harm the hermit. So that means Manu said, or hermit said, that what would happen if I will take you out, and after that if I will be killed by you? So that time that means Sher Singh the tiger requested, and he promised also that he would do nothing to the hermit. So Manu pulled him out of the well. Then Manu pulled out Vanar, the monkey, and Nag, the snake. After that, at the first, Manu took, that means Sher Singh or the tiger. After that, he pulled out the Vanar, that means the monkey, and then after, the snake. Each one of them thanked Manu 100 times, but before going their own way, they warned the hermit not to listen to the man in the well, for he is treacherous and ungrateful. What happened? So all of them, that means 3 of them, not all of them, that means snake, Vanar, that means monkey, and the tiger, when 3 of them went out of the clay of the well, so they were very much happy, and they just thanked Manu several times. And they also said one thing, that Manu should not help the man, because the nature of the man is totally different from them. That means the man was treacherous, the man was disloyal, and the man was ungrateful. Okay,